State Security Minister Lapmo Matuke is set to convene a high-level meeting to investigate senior ZANU-PF members allegedly working against the party's controversial Resolution Number 1, which seeks to extend President Emmerson Mnangagwa's rule until 2030, according to an intelligence memo exclusively seen by ZimI. Salimina mashoko branyo gwapana bachinzi awa pane memo yakonwa nezimI rokonkonzi. CIO Minister holds secret meeting to investigate VP Chiwenga Mpofu Nyoni nevamwe government members who subscribe or like on the bell icon tipina mnawo moendera mberi mnyuka mchinze. The leaked document, stamped and titled Intelligence Note, identifies 3 Politburo members allegedly aligned with Vice President Constantino Chiwenga in a direct opposition to the agreed upon directive. The 3 under scrutiny: Comrade Richard M. Lovu, Secretary for Labor and Employment Creation. Number 2, Comrade Chiwenga Nyoni, Secretary for Economic Development and Empowerment. Number 3, Comrade Mpofu, Secretary for ICT. The intelligence note states that these figures are actively operating in contravention of Resolution Number 1 and aligning themselves with Vice President Constantino Chiwenga, signaling a widening internal rift within the ruling party's top structures. The members' continued association with the VP Constantino Chiwenga's camp is described as a deliberate and coordinated effort to undermine the resolution by pushing counter-narratives, mobilizing support, and obstructing implementation mechanism. The document warns of further risk to organizational integrity if no disciplinary action is taken. Minister Matuke is instructed to meet with the First Secretary Mnangagwa to deliberate on the issue and enforce compliance. The explosive revelation comes just weeks after rumors of factional tensions within ZANU-PF resurfaced, following reports of clashes between Mnangagwa loyalists and those pushing a leadership transition ahead of 2028. Resolution Number 1, passed controversially earlier this year, aims to amend party terms and extend Mnangagwa's tenure to 2030, a move many interpret as a direct snap to VP Chiwenga's succession ambitions. ZimI will continue to investigate developments and provide updates on the internal power struggle shaping Zimbabwe's ruling elite ahead of the party upcoming congress to be held in Mutare. Ndo developments aripo muri Zimbabwe. Tudze mafunguro enyu motudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Avena comment section medu mafunguro enyu. Subscribe or like, chit on the bell icon.